Hey guys, Residual Hustler here, and I got another question on one of my TikTok videos. The question was, do I get a discount through UPS when I ship my products into Amazon FBA? And I do. I get a very big discount through UPS. Amazon and UPS have a relationship together where when I send in a box to Amazon, it's usually as close to that 50-pound mark for that box as humanly possible and no longer than 25 inches in any direction. And I've never paid, I think, more than $10, probably closer to $9, to ship that box into Amazon. If you look at some of my other videos on my channel here, you will see that I show a lot of shipping into Amazon. Very, very discounted. If I were to go to the UPS store and just do it normally, that shipping box would probably be at least $35 to $45. Bigger box and weighs almost 50 pounds. Now, a little trick, if you have 3 or 4 of those and they're heavy boxes, you can do a UPS pickup and have UPS come to your home and pick up those boxes so you don't have to take the time to go to the UPS store or customer service location and drop them off. Pirateship.com. UPS will do a UPS pickup for you no matter how many boxes you have for $3.80. I've done it over 40 times now. Go to my pinned video, the video with the boxes pictured, and you can see exactly how to do it. I'm not affiliated with pirateship.com. I just love to help people save money. So do that. Check that out. I appreciate the question. And for more info, just go to residualhustler.com.